My friend, brother,
Yes.
come, look here.
Yeah.
See? Someone is messaging me, man, that my English is slant, man. What do you think, man? Yeah, right or wrong?
Yeah, it's right, man. They're saying correct.
Okay, man, yeah, continue. Continue that job, my friend, and then arrange everything. Huh?
Yeah.
And then make it fast,
Yeah.
Okay, continue. Fast, and then I want you to print this one, arrange, remove, and printing later, and then call me after, ha? I will check you, ha?
Okay.
Continue. Welcome back, ha? Something that blender, I will give you shit, ha?
Okay.